Hey, if you want a free pair of Air Jordan 4 Bread Reimagined, all you gotta do is like this video, comment down below your size, and if this video reaches 100 likes and 100 views, we will select a winner. Hey, what's happening, Stinky Heads? How you doing? How y'all been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this thing started, you already know, going to smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So in this video, we got the Jordan updates and the recaps. Of course, you already seen it by now, but the Jordan Bread 4 Reimagined, that was a terrible release. Uh, as you know, I took pretty much all L's on my size. I did win on one overseas raffle. I'm still waiting for that confirmation to come in because, as you know, they're saying like a lot of raffles have been canceled. I did on my FLX app. Basically, I didn't win, so I didn't get any confirmed cancellations, but I'm not sure what's going on with all the pairs that were allocated. Were they backdoored and now they don't have enough pairs for all the winners and they started canceling orders? We don't know. We don't know if Nike's going to step in and help us out. And, you know, they say Nike never runs out of shoes, so they're going to drop some more Bread 4s. I don't know. Only time will tell. My size is still high, $288 on StockX. So, you know, that's still a $300 shoe. So if I still want these, I'm going to wait till the price drops a little bit lower before I scoop my pair up. I think if I can get my size around 250, I'll scoop them up, but only time will tell for that. But you know, the Jordan 13 Blue Grays did release. However, I did go out of town this weekend, so I didn't get a chance to go to the mall. Still have not seen these pairs in hand, but I do tend to cop those because I have seen a couple of viewers. They do look like a light baby blue, which is in that UNC colorway that I collect. So most likely will be scooping those up, sneakerhead. So stay tuned for that. Moving on to the Jordan updates. What we got, my brother?
Hey, these updates are for shoes that were released from February the 4th through the 10th. On February the 7th, we had those Air Jordan 2 low pythons. Price point for these were $155. According to Nike.com, all sizes are still available. And if you're looking to cop these, that price point is pretty reasonable. Hey, all sizes are available. What's next, my brother?
So on February the 4th, the Nike Dunk Low Valentine's Dunk did come out, aka Soulmates. Unfortunately, this only came in GS size only. And according to Nike.com, they all sold out. So let us know down in the comments, nigga, were you able to cop you a pair for yourself or one of your honeys or your wifeys? They all sold out. What you
Yes,
got next,
sir.
my brother?
So, finishing off the week, February the 10th, those Air Jordan 13s, the blue gray with price point of $200. According to Nike.com, once again, all sizes are still available. All sizes are still available. Hey, drop us a comment down below if you were able to cop these. I felt like that price point was somewhat okay. I'm surprised all sizes are available. I mean, reading and seeing some of the comments we've seen on this shoe, hey, it's a clean shoe. It's a clean shoe. So I'm very shocked to see that this shoe is sitting. But all sizes, according to Nike.com, are available.
Yes, sir. So moving on to the last shoe. This came out on February the 9th. This was again for the Babies. It's the Jordan 1 Mid, aka I call it the Charlotte Hornets. It's a nice clean colorway for the kids. Unfortunately, this is a mid, so maybe that's why the parents don't want to be. I don't know if mids are in style. I know 2001, everything was selling out. So people wearing lows, people wearing mids, people wearing highs. Pretty much Jordan 1s, everything Jordan 1 that was in style. Now we see that even the Jordan 1 high are sitting and even some of them decent colorways are sitting. So let us know, were you able to cop these for you and your kids? If not, let us know that too.
Yes, sir. Hey, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
Like we said, for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.